Ready, start. Privacy enables the individual to retain the autonomy of the body and mind. Full stop. The autonomy of the individual is the ability to make decisions on vital matters of concern to life. Full stop. Privacy has not been couched as an independent fundamental right. Full stop. But that does not detract from the constitutional protection afforded to it, once the true nature of privacy and its relationship with those fundamental rights which are expressly protected is understood. Full stop. Privacy lies across the spectrum of protected freedoms. Full stop. The intersection between one's mental integrity and privacy entitles the individual to freedom of thought, the freedom to believe in what is right, and the freedom of self-determination. Full stop. When these guarantees intersect with gender, they create a private space which protects all those elements which are crucial to gender identity. Full stop. The family, marriage, procreation and sexual orientation are all integral to the dignity of the individual. Full stop. The freedoms under Article 19 can be fulfilled where the individual is entitled to decide upon his or her preferences. Full stop. Dignity cannot exist without privacy. Full stop. Both reside within the inalienable values of life, liberty and freedom which the Constitution has recognized. Full stop. Privacy is the ultimate expression of the sanctity of the individual. Full stop. It is a constitutional value which straddles across the spectrum of fundamental rights and protects for the individual a zone of choice and self-determination. Full stop. It is a matter of record that none of the witnesses has seen the convicted as appellant throwing the deceased child into the debris, as hitherto observed, no conclusive proof, of any nature, of relationship had been put forth by the prosecution, no evidence has been led to cast doubt upon the version of the convict. Full stop. The statement of the doctor is silent on the death of the deceased having occurred prior to or after birth, although in examination in chief, the doctor has deposed that the death of the deceased child was homicidal in nature, however, in the cross examination, it is admitted that such fact does not form part of the record, thereby calling into question the conclusion itself, as it is a vital piece of information that has been omitted. Full stop. Having considered the gaps mentioned above in the prosecution case, we cannot agree with the learned courts below that the circumstances conclusively point to the guilt of the convict appellant, Indra Kumar. Full stop. Given the foregoing discussion, we find the conviction recorded against the convicted as appellant to be entirely based on mere presumption, with the actual evidence on record failing to establish the prosecution case, much less beyond reasonable doubt. Full stop. We are constrained to observe that the High Court has confirmed the view of the trial court awarding life imprisonment without supplying any cogent reasons. Therefore, full stop. In that view of the matter, conviction returned by the trial court in session trial number 52 of 2004 and affirmed by the High Court in criminal appeal number 605 of 2005 is quashed and set aside. Full stop. Convict appellant is acquitted of all charges and, if in jail in connection with the instant list, is set at liberty forthwith. Full stop.